So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the AI Replace tool here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device and you have a photo selected, what I want you to do is go to this bottom left and press on where it says Tools. Then press on a whole bunch of different options here. What I want you to do is press on where it says AI Replace. So right below on the second row where it says AI Replace, right above where it says Curves, right in between where it says Clone and Stretch, and right below where it says Free Crop, simply just press on AI Replace. Now what I want you to do is actually just make this brush size either larger or smaller and select what you want to replace. So if you wanted to replace, for example, the ocean right here, I'll just go ahead and I'll replace the ocean just a little bit to the best of my ability right here. There you go. So let's just say the ocean is right there. What I want you to do now is go where it says replace here, sort of on the bottom right where it's pink. Go press on where it says replace. Now what you can do is actually create a replacement. So if you wanted to, change the ocean into, let's just say grass, I'll just type in grass. Then I'll press on generate image. It's going to do its best to do this, but what you can do is if you have PicsArt Gold, it'll do this, but if not, you can simply just use the free trial or exit out, and once that is done, it'll generate an image that you can go ahead and select the AI Replace here on PicsArt. So that's how you guys can use the AI Replace tool here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.